Hi everyone, you are watching Chemistry Guru YouTube channel and welcome to Plus One Science Series Chemistry. So today we are going to discussing about the what are all the units and how many units are in the Plus One Science Chemistry textbook. So the very first chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. Second, structure of atom. Third, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Fourth, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Fifth, chemical thermodynamics. Sixth, equilibrium. Seventh, redox reaction. Eighth, organic chemistry. In this we are going to learn some basic principles and techniques. And ninth chapter, hydrocarbons. This syllabus is divided into two parts. You have two parts, part 1 and part 2 chemistry for plus 1 science NCERT textbook. So now we are going to discuss what are all the concepts in a particular unit. So the very first chapter is some basics of chemistry. As the name itself tells, basics of chemistry. In this we are going to study the definition of chemistry, importance of chemistry, scope of chemistry, molecular mass, atomic mass, empirical formula, molecular formula, law of combination reaction, stoichiometry and the calculation based on stoichiometry. And the next chapter comes structure of atom. In this chapter we are going to study some theories, Thomson's model, Rutherford model, Bohr's model, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Hund's rule and Pauli's exclusion. And the third, classification of elements and periodicity properties. In this we are going to study significance of periodic table and brief explanation of history of development of periodic table, modern law of periodic table, periodic tendency properties of elements, in that atomic radii, ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy and valency. And next comes chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this we are going to study covalent bond, ionic bond, bond parameters, Lewis structure, geometry, resonance, the VBT, valence bond theory, Whisper, hybridization, hydrogen bond, and next MOT, molecular orbital theory. And next comes chemical thermodynamics. In this we are going to study concept of system, types of system, work, heat, energy and surroundings, and first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, Gibbs change and non-spontaneous process. And next comes equilibrium. In this we are going to study dynamic nature of equilibrium, equilibrium in chemical and physical process, factors affecting equilibrium, equilibrium constant, and law of mass of action. And next comes redox reaction. In this we are going to study reduction reaction, oxidation reaction, redox reaction, application of redox reaction and balancing the redox reaction with respect to electrons. And next comes organic chemistry. In this we are going to study some basic principles and techniques of organic chemistry. As usual, general introduction and methods of purification, qualitative and quantitative analysis, resonance, hyperconjugation, electromagnetic effect. Next free radicals, carbocation, carbanion, electrophile, nucleophile and other chemical reactions. And next comes hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, general introduction, IUPAC nomenclature, isomerism, physical properties, chemical reactions and addition of water, hydrogen, halogen, hydrogen halides. And next in this subtopic, aromatic hydrocarbons. In this we are going to study introduction, IUPAC nomenclature, benzene, resonance, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, by Friedel-Crafts reaction of alkylation, acylation and a direct influence of functional group to a monosubstituted benzene, and last carcinogenicity and toxicity. So this is all about the discussion of the concepts in a particular unit. Thank you for watching. In next session I will be back with some basic concepts of chemistry first unit. So meet up in a next session. Thank you.